One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad.
Hey loves, it's Brianna K. Welcome back to today's video. I have some cleaning. I need to organize my bathroom. There's just a lot of stuff that sort of needs to get done around the house. So I hope that this helps you sort of tackle whatever is on your to-do list with me. If you're new, make sure you're subscribed and be sure to check out my other playlist for more homemaking motivation. And just thanks so much for being here today.
All right, I know there is always dishes to do, so let's tackle those together today. And let me know while you're watching, what is one thing you are the most excited about for this summer? Do you have anything fun that you're doing? Any trips? What are you looking forward to? Let us know in the comments so that we can all get excited with you. I know one of the things I have been really excited for this summer is a Disney girls trip that I'm going on, which I will be vlogging. Make sure you check out that video so that you can come along with us on our girls trip to Disney. Yes, I still have last year's fall scents out by my sink. I've been so busy since we've been back. I have not been able to go out and replace them yet. And the last time we were here was the fall. But let me know if there are any really good summer scents that you have been loving recently so that I can look for those and save these for the fall. Which it's kind of nuts that it's only a few months away before I start doing fall content. Slow down time. What do you like better though, summer or fall? Let me know in the comments. I'm using a summer scent for wiping down my countertops. So this is the Caldera Pear Blossom Agave scent. It smells so good.
I just got the sweetest surprise delivery from Rouletta. This is a plant, it like helps clean the air and it is just so nice. What seriously, like just thank you so much. That was so sweet of you, Rouletta. All right, here's the current status of the bathroom. I just have a lot of stuff that like all got pulled out of the suitcase, thrown here. And the reason I didn't put it back is because I actually want to like wipe out all the drawers. There's still some stuff I need to take out, but I need to like wipe everything down and get everything organized.
I also love the smell of bleach when I clean the shower. Is that weird? Does anyone else just love that smell too? It just smells so clean to me. And when you're decluttering and organizing, I think it works best when you take everything out and group all of the things that you want to keep, get rid of the rest, and then put them back in those organized categories. Because sometimes you realize you might need more space or you actually need less space after you declutter, and then you can make the most of the spaces that you have that way.
I took everything out and like the stuff that was in my suitcase, and I tried to kind of group it. I know it looks like a mess, but this is like all the hair stuff. This is like spa and tanning stuff. So sort of like when I do like my self-care nights, like I'm not using this stuff every day. And then this is more of like my, I guess like hair scrunchie stuff. So like, even though I know like more hair tools and products are there, hair scrunchies. And then this is, I don't know, kind of like other, this is kind of like the everything else. And then I have makeup over there. So I'm gonna try to figure out with the drawers that I have how I wanna organize this. As very apparent in this video, I have a lot of beauty products that I have tried, and there are always some that just stand out, and that's why I'm so excited to be partnering with Blue again for today's video, because they're one of my favorite products. I'm obsessed with this. Is their Glacial Oceanic Clay Mask. This is what I tried first. All of their products though are made with this Canadian glacial clay. It has like over 60 minerals and ions. And it is amazing on your skin because it not only exfoliates your skin, so like cleans it so well, like detoxifies your skin, it adds back in moisture, and it's just so hydrating. It's so good, and I love the packaging. Like this is one of my favorite gifts to give to people because of just how beautiful the packaging is. Again, this is their Glacial Oceanic Clay Mask. But lately, I've got to say, this is what I've been loving because I went from like incredibly humid weather to not as humid at the moment here, but the blue hydrating glacial clay cleanser is so good, because again, I use it at the end of the night, like right now. I'm gonna be washing my face, and it just takes off all of my makeup so well. But at the same time, my skin feels so hydrated and soft after I use it. It's like kind of amazing how it's an all-in-one. It sort of goes from like creamy to sudsy to get everything off, and it just leaves your skin feeling so fresh, so clean, so smooth, so hydrated. I love it. It's really cool this month until the end of June, so don't miss out on this. If you buy the Hydrating Glacial Clay Cleanser, you're getting a free Illuminating Seaweed mask, the full-size mask. And if you use the link in my description box and my code Brianna K15, you get an extra 15% off of your order. So I love Blue. I highly recommend all their products. Like, this is everything that I'm using at the moment, and I love it. But don't miss out on that deal right now for June of the Hydrating Glacial Clay Cleanser, and then getting a full size of that Seaweed Illuminating Mask. Again, the link's in my description box below, and the code Brianna K15. I love them. They're like such a standout, and couldn't recommend them to you more.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that...
And now it is time to clean out the sinks and the bathtub with that same bleach cleaner. Again, I just love the smell when you walk into the bathroom after it's been cleaned with this, because it just smells so fresh and clean.
The gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
also had some restocks to do around the bathroom today. So I know you saw me restock the cotton swabs and cotton pads earlier, and now in this little toilet room, I had to restock my feminine products and the toilet paper in here too before I cleaned the toilet. I have to say, I love restocking. I do not love cleaning the toilet though. Blah.
So everything in here has now been nice and restocked and wiped down clean. And here is how I set up my medicine cabinet with the stuff that I'm using every single day. So like all of my face stuff and hair stuff and toothbrush, contact solution, all of that. My makeup, which that really needs to be cleaned out. Maybe I'll do that after I finish cleaning everything else. Hairbrushes. And I made this be like the different bags that I had. And here's always just like contact and other like Bath and Body Works kind of stuff. This drawer I made all hair tools. This drawer is more hair products. This is different body stuff, glasses, teeth stuff. And in here is like cotton and first aid sort of stuff, nail stuff, and I put all the self-care things in here. So like my little fridge and just all my different facial stuff, tanning stuff, all in there. It's all nice and organized. Tub is all clean, so I can take a bath, have a self-care night. Maybe I'll do that later tonight. That would be amazing, and just all the towels and stuff, but got to clean the shower and do the mirrors next.
I just love this Clorox scrubbing one. You have seen me use this for years. It's so helpful for cleaning the shower and the tub. It just makes it so much easier. Now wiping down all of the mirrors and glass with the Method Mint Glass Cleaner. This also smells so fresh and clean. I just love it. And I feel like if you're gonna clean and put in all that effort and energy, it might as well smell really good when you're done, right?
I think my concealer, like it exploded all over this stuff. So I just want to like clean everything in here.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once without thinking?
I should have probably just gotten a new makeup case because I have had this one for years at this point, but at least since it's plastic, it wipes down pretty easy and, you know, doesn't make any more waste. It was just such a mess. I mean, that concealer got on everything.
Seem to lead my mind on this road that I am on. I gotta stay here for some time.
sweep our floors together, so grab your vacuum and let's tackle the carpets. Love, thank you so much for your support lately. I seriously could not be more grateful for all the love and positivity that this community brings to me. And I hope that I'm able to give you some motivation today in return, whether that's motivation for cleaning, decluttering, organizing, or just having a friend who understands what it is like when you are homemaking and all the work that goes into it that oftentimes goes unnoticed. And just, thank you so much for watching and for being here and taking the time out of your day to turn on my videos. And if today you're feeling up for cleaning, go for it. Or if you don't, I really hope you go do something fun for yourself because you deserve it. My videos will always be here for you when you're ready for some motivation. There will always be a mess. Make sure that you're taking those breaks for yourself and having a little bit of fun, especially since it's summer. Get outside, enjoy that nice weather, and turn this video on at night or on a rainy day, and we can do it together then. So enjoy the beautiful weather at this time. But make sure you're subscribed, have your notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my new videos. I love you. I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to check out Blue for your next self-care night. And just thank you so much, loves. See you soon.
Come seek me